Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on your YouTube channel, we are going to show you how a solar plant will be installed at an location. So by watching this video, you will get in clarity. If you need to install a solar plant, then you will get an idea how the structure and inverter connections are given by the vendor. So here you can see here this vendor is moving the materials to the top floor and the structure is arranged systematically like this. The gap between the legs is 8 feet and you have to maintain an 1 feet difference, and you can see here I am at the site in recording the video, and see here all the structures has been installed. Okay, so and we have to tighten this structure with the help of anchoring bolts, and the vendor is doing the work well, and the anchoring of the bolts should be very tight. So you can see here how they are anchoring bolts are hammered in and sequentially to see that they are in tight condition to withstand the wind speed of about 120 kilometers per hour, and slowly the solar panels are moved from onto the structure. These are of Waaree monoperk in nature. Okay, and all these panels are arranged sequentially, and when you are at the site you should follow the proper dress code. Here you can see here I'm following the proper dress code to reduce the injuries to the head from the sharp edges, and slowly all the panels were moved by the vendor slowly onto the structure. Okay, so here all the panels will be arranged sequentially, and totally 6 panels will be supplied by the vendor. So you can see here complete 6 panels has been arranged, and the work is going on very fastly. And now we want to connect all these 6 in series connection, and here we can see here how to connect them in the video. Now what you are watching is nothing but how to join those connections. This is called, by the help of an cutting blade we are going to perform the clipping of the contacts. So this is the process of clipping the contacts, and you should clip it again with the help of an proper clipping tool. And you can see here this is an MC4 connector we are connecting to the panel. So through this MC4 connector, which is IP rated, we have to connect to the panel. Now coming to the ground floor installation. So here you can see here we have DC DB box, AC DB box and inverter, and already the connections of an contractor as well as an MCB has been already given. I will explain the wiring diagram, no need to worry. Here you can see here the inverter is successfully getting mounted on the wall, and here you can see here DC box, AC box. This is nothing but the AC box. From the AC box you have to connect to the contractor, and this black colored one is the contractor, and the white colored one is nothing but MCB. So here you can see here how the technicians are working at the site. So first you will get the supply to the DC box. From there to the you are going to get, you see here you will get the supply directly from solar panel to DC box. From the DC box you have to connect to this Polycab smart 4 kilowatt inverter, and output of this is a single phase supply again connected to an AC DB box, and output of this AC DB box is connected to the contractor, which is used to protect from islanding mode. And now you can see here the inverter started running, indicating the time, the installation time at 15. Okay, this is the AC power that is taken by from the solar system, and how many hours it has started operating. Hope this video is useful to you, and you'll get an awareness how the plant will be installed at your site. If you feel our video is useful to us, please like, share and subscribe. All the parameters will be indicated. Thank you for your time.